My airplane mode is on,
A
and yet
big solution
I
to
can
TikTok
browse.
live calls without local calls interrupting your
Yet
network.
I'm able to browse. You can see my internet is on. Let's head over to YouTube and you'll see how I'm able to play YouTube videos with airplane mode on. You can see that.
Neighborhoods. Not bad for the son of a policeman and a bank clerk.
My childhood was
Now,
so
how can we do
cramped.
this? Let me
For
show
some-
you. Head over to your die pad, die star, hash, star, hash, 4636, hash, star, and it will take you to, you select phone info, and you turn on mobile radio power, you turn it on. Then if you can see this app on the screen, download and install. Then you open it. It's the same information. Turn on mobile radio power. That is all. Close the app, enjoy internet, mobile internet. No Wi-Fi, turn on. This is particularly useful when you don't want someone to call you when you are using the internet. Maybe you are in a conference, a classroom, or attending a seminar online, and you don't want anyone to call you during that time so as not to disrupt your connection. So, thank you. Please subscribe.